Can you believe that this slideshow is automatically created using artificial intelligence tool? That's right. Now you can create stunning presentations, storyline, images, and much more using a tool called Tome. This tool uses ChatGPT and DALL-E to create amazing text and images. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning presentations from scratch. Click on Try Tome on top right. Now it will take you to a screen to create your account. You can either use your existing Google account or you can use your email address and password to create a new account. Press Continue. Here it will ask you to create a name for your workspace. Just give a name to your workspace and click Continue to Workspace. Now here you can choose your plan. If you want, you can choose a basic plan for now, which is free to try. Press Continue. Now this is the homepage of the app, and here we have 7 basic templates to choose from. So we have sales pitch, fundraising, product design review, etc. Now let's see what we have in sales pitch. As you can see, it created a good number of slides for us, and these are the outlines that we can edit and make our own. For example, we can change the company name, edit the logo, and add our own company's tagline. You can also see that it gives you examples of how you can edit. It also gives you instructions on how to use this template, which is pretty good. For this video, I specifically wanted to show you a cool feature where you can create your own presentation using AI prompts. So let's click on Create. Now here, it will ask you to type a prompt or some text to tell the tool what you want to create. Now you have some options here that you can choose from. For example, you can choose Create Page About or Create Image. You can also upload a document and convert that document into presentation using this tool. I'm going to choose Create Presentation About, and I will give a text to it to tell what I want. So what I'm going to type here is, for example, let's say I want to create a presentation on future of transportation. So I'll type it here and press Enter. Now it's creating the outline for the presentation for us. Go ahead and click Continue. Now you can see that it's creating the presentation. It's creating the text and images and all the slides. So typically what it does is it creates 8 slides, out of which the first one is the title of your presentation. So let's see what it created for us. Riding the Wave of the Future, the Evolution of Transportation. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check all the slides and images and see if we like all of them. In case if you want to change it, you can. But if you like them, just press Keep and it'll keep it for you. Or you can click on Try Again if you want to regenerate the presentation for the same topic. But I like it, so I'm going to keep it. Now here, I wanted to tell you that this tool has pretty cool features. You can actually customize everything here. You can change the font, you can change the background, the theme. You can also add a new page. So let's go ahead and try some of these features here. Now click on the plus sign on the right. Now here you can see that you have a lot of options. From adding a video, you can add Figma design, you can add table. Let's go ahead and click on image. I wanted to add an image on my title slide, so I can upload it from my computer if I want, or you can go ahead and create an image from the prompt. So you can type any text here to let the tool know what you want to create. For example, let's go ahead and for this particular slide, I wanted to add future of futuristic school bus. And click on Generate. Now it is just showing me how many credits I have on my basic account, so that's fine. Now you can see that it created 4 images that are really nice. But in case if you don't like the images that the tool generates, you can go ahead and change these images by clicking on the generate button. But in this case, I like all of these, so I'm going to choose any of these images. Let's say I will choose the second image here, and I'll click on it and add to my slide. Now this looks pretty nice. Let's close this. Now another cool feature that this tool has is that you can record your voice. So you can actually record your narration for the presentation and share it with your team members or your family and friends. And that's pretty cool, I think. You can also go ahead and change the background color of your presentation. So let's click on this icon here, and you can choose whichever background you want to change it to. So I want to change it to a lighter color, and just for this example, I will take a greenish color here. So maybe something like this, and yeah, I will save this as a theme. So click on save theme, and you will see a prompt which says it will be available to all members of my space. My space is the name of my workspace. So I will just give a name to it, theme 1, and click on save. And that's saved for, in my workspace. You can also go ahead and share the whole presentation with your team members or whoever you want to share this presentation with. So all you have to do is just enter the email IDs here, and you can also copy the link and share it with your team members and others. The next thing you can do is just click on play button, and you can play the slideshow by clicking the arrows, and you can just press escape to come back. You can also go ahead and add a new page. For example, it has a number of layouts to choose from. So you can actually choose title or just the heading with an image, just an image in the center. So I'll go ahead and choose one of these layouts just to show you how we can create a new page. So I'm just choosing a layout, and now you have to create a page by giving it a text so that the tool knows what you want to create. So I will just choose create page about, and I'm going to type future airplanes. Click enter. So it's creating the page for us. And you can see that it's also creating an image. And it again asks you if you want to keep it or you want to try again. I want to keep it. And if you notice that it created the second slide, which actually I wanted in the end. So all I have to do is just drag it and take it all the way at the bottom. So that's another thing that you can do here, rearrange the slides in your presentation as you like. So all in all, I would say this is a pretty good tool with lots of features. All of the features are not covered in this tutorial, but if you want, you can just play around with it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.